You say you had such a bad day. You wish your life was different. Stop. Forget about your trouble. People's hearts make them believe in something they forgot. Let's have a lot of fun today. You're a hero in disguise. Come on, this is your chance to shine. Everything's beautiful and I am here to show you. I'll teach you how to fly and all your dreams will come true today. Trust in who you are and everything will change.
Are you sure Camp Pixie's this way, Lockette? Really sure? Easy, Amore. Ranger Robinson isn't going anywhere. The Ranger? What about him? Why would I be thinking about him?
Amore, what are you doing here?
Ranger Robinson! See, Lockette wanted to participate in your survival course, so we came to sign up. But you were the one who we can't wait to start this adventure, just as long as there aren't any spiders.
Welcome to Camp Pixie, then. Here are your apprentice nature badges. And here are the others.
There'll be lots of action, right? I paid for action.
Actually, the course is free, Mr. Galantis.
What? Well, then I'll ask for a refund.
Hi, I'm Zing, and this is a cobalt blue spider pup.
Hiya, gorgeous. What's up?
Huh? There you go. All creatures are our friends, Amore. Raspberry or bramble?
And here is the wonderful pixie of adventure, Ranger Tundra. Together, we will teach you how to live in harmony with the forest.
Now I see why you wanted to come so badly. You're jealous! What are you doing? Don't you know that flames can destroy a forest?
Great, more participants. What's that saying? The more...
The worst! Narcissa and Lucilla! Those two bring trouble wherever they go!
Thanks, but today we're off duty. We're here as punishment from Nymphia. Sorry.
We must learn to appreciate and experience new emotions like kindness and respect.
In that case, welcome. But no magic, Narcissa. That's the #1 rule of the course. You'll have to face nature on your own.
You should prep your body like I am. Help! I need a stretcher, a car, a plane.
But we just left.
Huh?
On board! When's the danger coming?
There's danger everywhere. This bully tree, for instance. You must be very careful not to provoke him.
Its roots are a favorite of the digger bees. They're extremely touchy insects who don't like to be disturbed. Let me go, you bully! I'm not scared of you! I said let me go this minute, you big galoot!
What should we do?
It's part of nature. Don't worry.
Oh!
It gets tired quickly.
You're so brave, Robinson.
Well, watch out! Digging me!
I'm fine. Can't feel my legs.
Let's start with the first test, assembling a tent. Find yourselves a good spot and put one up, like we did.
Ladies and gentlemen, the instant tent. Ta-da! Hey, that's enough. Stop! No!
There, I even have a view of the stars. Where's yours, Amore? The Don't you think you're being a little too obvious?
Be careful, you've put it on top of a screaming ant's hole. Screaming ants hate tents.
Losers, now this is real comfort.
Nice tent, but we said no magic, Narcissa.
Now, is everybody ready for your second test? This one is a real adventure.
What the heck is this?
The woods are full of things you can eat. Some are dangerous, others tasty. You'll learn how to know which ones are edible, like the spring mushroom.
Mushrooms? No way, I'll play it safe. Pixie pizza, I'd like 2 large double cheese. Okay, no mugging exercise. He's got me all
I've got the eyes of a falcon and the agility of a gazelle.
A bully tree? Where there's a bully tree, there's bees. And where there's bees, there's honey.
Look, Lockette, I want to give this one to Robinson and...
You're knocking it
As you see, nature can be a fickle friend. But if you love her and treat her with respect, she just might give you
Some pizza?
The mammoth mosquitoes of the giant forest. They're extremely rare, you know, almost extinct.
like my pizza. Just wait till I get my hands on you.
That'll teach you to respect insects, Narcissa.
Well said, Zing. And now for your third test. You will face an emergency situation and you'll have to get through it without any tricks.
Huh?
It's a piece of cake. Just cross over the bridge of fear without flying. That's it.
That's how we became rangers, remember, Robinson?
How could I forget, Tundra?
How can I forget? How mushy. I'll fix her already.
Clear the way, people! I'm afraid of heights!
This course is hilarious.
This Camp Pixie is a piece of cake, huh?
I've got to find a way to separate them, Lockette, but how? I don't think that's such a good idea, Amore. Of course! One of my love filters.
Weird. I thought colossus worms were more colossus.
Try it now.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. You? Want some tea?
Thanks. Huh? City pixies, I don't get them.
Yes, damp and depressing. I like this place.
So do I. Must be full of insects.
Ugh, I hate it already.
This is the hardest test. Learning how to find your bearings in the never-ending marshes.
This place has terrifying traps, so don't lose track of us.
This is my last chance, Lockette. A sprinkle of horror powder on Tundra and no one will stand her, especially Robinson. That's not right. That's not the way to capture his heart. Okay, maybe you're right.
Yes, but why waste a good prank?
Galantis, watch out for the carnivorous flower!
Is it gone? The monster!
I have a knack for annoying people.
How are we gonna get out of here without the rangers, huh?
We always loved you!
A bully tree! If only we could call the digging bees! Digging bees, please help us! I know you're not evil. We need your help! Call the spiders and mosquitoes. It's time we worked as a team!
You think this is the right time to commune with insects?
It's okay! My insect friends will get us out of here!
When a pixie is able to use his talent for good, the tree of life rewards him with a magic pop. A magic sphere that can turn a pixie into a pop pixie. Zing, the pop pixie of insects.
Wow, you got your magic pop!
Yeah!
I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! I'm alive! Oh, my back.
This was the worst survival course ever.
Tell me about it, Robinson. I'm so happy that you're okay. Thanks, Zing. You've been wonderful.
Thank the insects. They're our friends after all, right?
It's been an incredible adventure. I love nature now, all of it. Obviously, what I said in the quicksand was a lie. You're not expecting to be thanked, I hope.
Who made Ronnie cry?
I know a place where everybody's kind of fun in a way. Wonderful things happen every day, and nothing stays the same for too long. It's like a roller coaster.